Students, good morning. So energetic students. Online students, am I audible? Okay. So offline students are so energetic today. Okay. Ma? Thank you, ma. Happy Shivaratri for everybody. Okay. Are you reading Python notes? Okay. Coolers off. So come in. Okay. Students, come in, ma. So Satya Gopal. Satya Gopal, my dear student, thank you. And wish you the same. Happy Shivaratri. Happy Shiva day, sir. Okay. Huh? Okay. Okay. Okay, my dear students. Thank you. Okay, Satya Gopal. Now I will move to the further. So I'm KVR only. So I'll be with you. I'll be with you. My subject is with you. Hmm? So Nama Sheikh Nama. Sir, today is also Women's Day, sir. Okay. Happy Women's Day. Right. You are girls. Right. Okay, let it be. So happy Girls' Day plus Women's Day. All everything. So Men's Day is not there. What is that? Oh. Do you know there is one Men's Day is also there? Search in the internet. Right. So, but only thing is Python Day is not there. Okay. Come students. Come to the point. Are you writing notes? Practicing? Right. So much less students are there today. Let it be. We'll go for something like prasad.py. Men's Day in 19th November. Okay. Okay. Viresh. Good student. Every day is a Python day, sir. Okay. Right, mom. So let us start the day. So last class, we already started with the most important concept, what we completed, attributes, and we discussed about some important concepts, attributes, and then functions we discussed it, and we discussed some sort of operations also. So now I'm going to enter into the another concept, some miscellaneous topics I want to discuss today. Miscellaneous topics means under the series only. Next, I need to introduce what? Data frame. For that, I need to discuss some miscellaneous concept. As we discussed already, some statistical operations already I discussed as a part of NumPy. That part I explained with the formulas. And that points, small example I will take it. Even in the Python also, series object also I want to apply. Let us go to the new and let me finish the series object, and the whose extension I am going to introduce what? Data frame also I will introduce. So examples on statistical operations. So statistical operations I am going to talk about it. So let us move to the further. Here import pandas as pd. So import numpy as np. So I'm going to take up. Now I'm going to take it the another part of it. There I'm going to take up some data. What are the statistical operations are available? Statistical functions. I just want to write it. Number one, one, this you can easily understand, not a difficult. Sum of. Next is called what? Count of. Next is called what? Max of. Next is called what? Min of. And next I'm going to apply mean of. And next is I'm applying what? Median of. Next I'm going to apply what? Variance of. And next is called what? STD of. STD of. Even we check with the mode also, we will check it. Mode also, we will check it. These are the functions we are going to apply. These are the things we are going to apply. Let us take the example directly. I will take S is equal to, don't take much time. And next is what? Series of. Take some value, students. 10, 20, something like, some 13, something like 4, and some 0, and some 12 I am taking. These are the values I am taking. How do you print that? S comma type of S, given series I am printing. And this is called a given series. Given series. There I will print it. Now I will say directly called what? Sum is equal to S is equal to SM is equal to. I will apply what? S dot what? Sum of. S dot sum of. Now I'm going to print out. What is this now? Sum of series elements. Sum of series of elements. Sum of series of elements is equal to what I am saying, SM. So it is going to print the sum of series of elements is printed. Are you following me? This is the data what we got it. Dear students, the same, one more, let me continue. This is by seeing the previous example, this is nothing for you. It's a very simple. We wrote the code for this type of data also. With our own code, we wrote it. Similarly, I am going to apply somewhere else. There is what? NP dot what, nan is also there. NP dot nan is also there. And I am writing one more kind of thing is called none also I am taking. So given series, now I'm going to take, this is the sum I'm going to find out. So see the data here, we are having same thing as what? 59. Earlier just 59 printed, my dear student, understand the difference. All of them are which type? Int type. After nan came, these are all converted into the float type because the nan type is internally what? Float type. Nan type is internally float type. I already shown you and you understand. It is a 59.0. So it is considering what here? Nan is simply ignored or not? Simply ignored. Simply ignored. That is a function name called what? Sum. Similarly, I can apply the same thing. I can apply the same thing. Now I will go to the next concept. Which function I am applying here? Another function I am going to apply, count. Last class I already said, and as a part of this, I am just going to cover it. So number of elements. So count of series of elements is equal to what, NOE. So you are going to get it. Number of elements are how many here? 6. If you go for the same thing, here, I will carry this part. And in this place, I will carry on this, get this part. And here I am writing. And here I am having specially what? None. Will it be counted or not? Come on. It will count only. Come on. What is counted here? Non. Earlier one is how many here? So here it is going to be how many? 6. Now also what? 6. So last class I already said count function will count only. Yes. If we want, for your clarity purpose, there only. What is the now? Total elements in series. Total elements in where? Series. How do you print, mom? I forget. How do you print? Yes dot. Very good. Size or size of? Right. So count of what values now? Non-nan values. Non-nan values of what? Series. So you got it. It's an important students. So see that number of elements are 8, total number of elements, and the non-nan values are what? 6. So I hope you already know. Next function is what? Max and min I will apply directly. max and min I will apply. On which values I will apply? Non-nan values I will apply. It's a very simple, not a difficult. I will say directly printing here, print of this series data. Directly you say what? Max of what? Series. Series of elements. Series of elements. Comma, what I will write? Come on, s dot what? Max of. S dot max of. Next is min of. So min of elements. Min of series of elements. S dot what now? Min of. S dot min of. So I'm getting max element and then what? Min element also I got it. Now if we apply this NaN related things also, try to see, because the NaN related things are very frequently coming across in front of you. That's why you must be careful enough in dealing with NaNs. So here I will write it. So max of elements and then min of elements on the NaN related things. What is happening you see? Same thing. So here also max and min by default ignoring what? Right. So max and min are skipping this NaN. So there is a parameter called what? Skip now. Skip now. Spell out. Skip now means what? Skipping NaN, not a number values. Skipping what values? Not a number values. Sit here. Why you are sitting that corner? Sit here. Why you are sitting there? Comfortable, huh? If you are comfortable, okay. So skip now. So you are getting this data. Go to the place. Now I will go to another part of it. Max and min, you got it. That's very simple. Next one is called what, mom? Mean I am going to introduce. Mean, very, very important. Try to follow. Take the data like this. Now I'm going to calculate the mean. Already you are well aware of it. How to calculate the mean. I was explained very thoroughly in the NumPy level. Come on. Mean of series of elements. Series of elements is equal to, come on, s dot what? Mean of. S dot mean of. Be careful. Series of elements are there. All the elements are summed by what? Total number of elements. So total number of elements. What is the total number of elements? Maybe 59. I hope so. Beginning I calculated now. 59 by 6. You will be getting this data. Are you following? So you can just go for what? Round off also you can say round off. S comma mean comma 2. I can say round off also you can do it. This is related to what? Mean. See students, when you come across this NaN values also, you can calculate this mean. You can calculate this mean. So here also try to observe. Why there is a more preference is given for NaN? NaN and none are regularly coming across unwanted values in the data frame or in series. That time what will happen? You try to see that. That means indirectly what it is doing? Mean also skipping what? Yes. So here it is going to skip these values, skipping these values here. So I will move to the further. Here you can pass one argument also. What is that argument? Skip now. Skip now. You can say skip now is equal to what? True. Skip now is equal to true. What is happening? Skip now is equal to true. What is the skip now? Skip what values? NaN values. Are you following? This is an argument. Now students, be careful. Of course, don't get confused because of this series indices will be there or not. And this is 10, 20 and some values are available. These are all considered as what? Columns. Columns, right? Only one column is there. There is an axis is also mentioned for it. What is an axis here? 0. Axis is 0. You can represent that also. You can represent that also here. These are all called internal parameters, students. So axis is equal to what? 0, comma, I said you are going to get the same data like this. Axis is equal to 0. Don't specify axis is equal to 1 because it don't contain what? Many rows are not there. And of course, don't think that this is series sir. Values. This is one row, don't like that. It is called only one column only represented. By mistake, if you specify access is equal to 1, see what will happen. Access is equal to 1 if you write it. Access is equal to 1 if you write it. Here it is going to be considered what? Error. Are you following, students? See a big error. No access named 1 for the type of object series. Okay, students. So here I am going to write it. This error I am going to be very serious about it. So because in our analysis part, lot of times this output is coming up to here. After this line, we got an error. So this part I will give you, next line now. This place I will give you comment for this. I will give it as a error. So I hope you are getting it. This error also, I removed that error part. Are you okay, students? Value error. No access 1 named for the object of what? Series. This is related to what? Mean. I will go to the same thing. I'll go to the same thing. I will find what now? Next, I want to go for median. What is the median, student? I already said to you. Come on, apply. Median of what? Median of series of elements. Yes dot what? Median. Already I said the formula. Median is nothing but what? Take the list of values, sort them. Come on, sort it. 0, 4, 10, 12, 13, 20. How many values are there? 6 values are there. So what is that now? Even number of elements. Take middle elements. 10 plus 12 by 2, 22 by 2, which is called what? 11. You know that, right, students? So it is going to be called as what? 11.0. 11.0. Suppose if you take it, something like this type of values you take it. This type of values you take it. One NaN value also available. So something like this you try to take something. How many values are there now? Come on. 7 values are there. Try to carry out this median and see that. And what will be the output there? You try to observe. Come on, NaN value consider or not? You already seen it. Ignored or considered? Ignored, because by default skip now is what? True. Skipping that value. So please put these elements now. 0, 4, come on. 10, 12, come on. 13, 20. How many values again here? 6 values. Okay, I will try to, okay, let it be first I will keep it. How many, what is the next now? This is the becoming same. A same answer will come or not? See the same answer. There I will reduce one thing because already you done it. You remove the value called what? 12 you remove. 12. You remove 12. That time what will be the answer now? 0, 4, 10, 13, 20 like this. And what it is becoming? 10. So 10 is going to become there. Are you following me? This is even elements, odd elements. This discussion already we had a discussion in the previous sessions itself. Understand, ma? Well, let us move to the further. Median is done. Let me go to the variance also. Variance. Do you know the variance? Right. If you look at that variance, you take these elements. Mean you need to calculate. Variance you need to calculate. Let us take it as what? A is equal to NP dot array of careful, which I already said to you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Print of what? A comma type of A. Type of A. Next I'm going to convert into what? Print of what? Series object I will convert. I already explained to you very perfectly about how to calculate the variance. Come on. PD dot series of A. Now I'm going to print what? Series elements. Series elements. For that series elements, I am printing the which one? Variance I am going to calculate. How do you calculate variance? V is equal to S dot what? Variance. S dot variance. So try to follow me. Variance. So I need not to tell you once again the same formula for variance. Remembered or forget? If you say forget, I will explain. If you say remembered, I will continue. Remembered, very good. Now V. So even I am remembering the value also. So mean minus, I already said, just recapitulation. I is equal to 1 to n. What is that? Mean minus xi. Mean minus xi whole square to the power of n. This I was explained already in the class. So here I am going to give you the variance is going to be giving something error. Data must be one dimensional. Got what? 2D instead. 2D instead. So here A series object. Yes, series object. Two-dimensional it is coming because your ND array is what? Here you try to get it. Now look at series object is which type? Come on, one dimensional. All of a sudden I have converted into what? 2D. 2D I am getting into which type? Series type. That's a problem. And you have seen the error also, right? And what is the answer now? Variance of. Are you able to get it? Done. What is the square root of it? Square root of variance is called what? Standard deviation. So nothing is difficult. I'll go for that. Simply, I'll take the same example. Here I'm going to write it. Apply immediately what? STD. STD. S is equal to something like SD. Standard deviation. Standard deviation. I'm going to write it. Standard deviation. Do you know the meaning of standard deviation, student? Can anybody can give me the small example of it? Suppose in a class, there are two students are there, for example, two students, small example to understand the deviation meaning. Standard, this is easy. One student got 0 marks. One student got what? 75 out of 75. For example, maths, if you take it. What is the average marks of the class? If I take two students are there. One student got 0. One student got what? 75. What is an average? 35. What is the DV? Of course, 0 plus 75 by what? 2. What is the answer? 37.5. Right? This is called what? Average. This is an average, right or not? And what is the deviation between these two people? There is a huge deviation is there. Correct or not? There is a huge deviation is there between these two people. That indicates either intelligent student is there or blunt student is there. That is called what? Deviation we can call. You take it India, politics, politicians and then normal people like us. What is happening? There is a huge deviation is there in their income and in our income. Even though you are working for 12 hours, you are getting some crores of rupees, but they are having thousands of crores. Are they writing day and night Python code? Then how they got it? Corruption. So there is a huge deviation is there among them, correct or not? Same thing. If you take some students whose average marks is what? There are some students whose deviation is there 31, 32, 33, 34, like that they are getting it. There are lot of students, 100 students are there. 100 students are getting the marks between what? 31, 32, 33, 34 only coming. On and average also it will become same thing only, na? On and average. What is the deviation of that? 100 by 100 not coming. 0 not coming. All of them are getting this one only. So the deviation is very small. That indicates what? The on and average, the deviation among the students is very less. Huge deviation will give you lot of variance, lot of difference. Small deviation will give you small difference is there among the students. Are you able to get it? So the poverty line below BPL line is so many. Above middle class and above middle class, there is a lot of deviation between these two people. And there is a small deviation in these people. There is a small deviation in these people. Deviation means what? Difference. Difference among the intervals. I hope you are understanding. That deviation can be expressed in square root format. That is called what? Variance can be expressed in the square root format. That is simply called as what? Standard deviation. So standard deviation is nothing but one format of square root of the variance. Variance is nothing but difference between the average between the multiple observations. So I hope you are getting it. 1.66 square root. 1.66 square root is what? Whatever you are getting it, that value only will come. How do you calculate 1.66 square root for your testing purpose? Just star what? 0.5. 0.5. This you know in our beginning days only. So this is going to give you the same thing or not? So square root of variance is nothing but what? Standard deviation. Clear up? So this is about a simple statistical operation. Last and final I will apply. S is equal to PD dot series of 10 comma 20 comma 10 comma 20 comma. I'm just writing 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 10 comma 20 40 50 10 and then 20 again 10 I wrote it. Now here I am writing print of S. Series of elements I am printing, and now I am trying to apply mode also. Mode also I am applying. S dot what? Mode. Meaning of mode you already know. What is the meaning of mode? Multiple occurrences. Whichever element is most frequently occurring, that is called what? Mode. So in a day, whichever work you are doing more and more, that is becoming your mode. So what is your mode? Reading Python notes. Something strange. Good. You said. Correct. Everybody like that? I hope girls same. So reading Python notes or chatting with friends are. So M is equal to. So try that mode is equal to. I already said how do you do the mode, students? Already I said in the NumPy, there is a module called statistics. In that there is a function name called S dot mode. One more mode also I said. One more mode also I said. Multi-mode. Multi-mode also I said. So multi-mode also I said. Comma what you know? M. So you see that the mode is available. What is the mode? 10, which is available at where? Something like this. Mode is coming. Are you following me? So here 10 is available how many times? How many times? 4 times. 20 is available how many times? 3 or 4 or 3. I will try to take one more time. I'll try to take one more time and test it. It is one more 20 also you take it. One more 20 also you take it. Still, what will come? So 1 and 20 also came. 1 and 20 also came. Are you able to follow? So like that, one can get the modes. So it is acting as what? It is acting as a mode function it is giving. It is also acting as a multi-mode also going to be available. So mode function is also there in where? Series object. So remember, these are very useful functions for you. Come on, after mean I will write what also. Last one I will write what also, students. Mode also I wrote it. So what are the functions? Can you spell out once? Sum of, count of, max of, min of, mean of, median of, variance of, standard deviation of, mode of. Right. That's all. These are the functions which are present. These are the statistical operations. Now, some useful things which are coming here and there in our examples. Without telling also you can go to data frame. But what I have seen it in the written test format or in the analysis format, these functions also. That's why I want to tell you more about this series operations. So statistical operations in where? Series object. So operations on series object. Some miscellaneous points also I want to tell you. Some miscellaneous operations also I want to tell you. Let us take the new notebook. New notebook. Miscellaneous operations. Miscellaneous operations also I want to tell you. Operations on which object? Series object. Series object. There also we are going to talk about the functions. Start up. Number 1 function I want to talk. Valid. Spell out. Valid. Next I'm going to take about count values, count underscore values. Spell out values. Next, I'm going to talk about unique. Spell out unique. Next, I'm going to talk about n unique. Come on, spell out n unique. Next, I'm going to talk about sort underscore values. Spell out sort underscore values. Next, I'm going to talk about IDX max. Spell out IDX max. Next, IDX min. Spell out IDX min. IDX min. Next, I will go for what? I will go for what? LE off. Spell out LE off. LE off. Before that, I will talk about the POW off. Spell out POW off. Next, I am going to talk about LE off. Come on, LE off. Something like a GT off. Spell out. Next, what? EQ off. UQ off. Like that, I'm going to tell you. Like that, these are the very, very useful functions. Useful functions. IDX min, sort values, count values, valid, unique, n unique. These are all very important. Important. Shall we start up? Yes. So one by one, slowly I will explain. Are you feeling interest or boring? So what is your interest? Remembering 1 year and forgetting 1 year like that? So remembering all these things is very important. You have to remember. See, learning Python is nothing but learning about all functions only. Now let us start with the valid. What valid function will do? So first I am talking about valid. See students, now I am going to talk about it. Now I am going to, all of them must be used small letters only. We should not use any capital letters. Anjali, all of them should be used what? Small letters only. We should not write in our own sentences. Okay. Now let us take S is equal to NP dot series of what valid function is doing. Carefully observe. 10 comma. Okay. A PD dot, I mean to say. Yes, students. PD dot. I will import. No problem. I will import. I will import here. Import here. Pandas as PD. Pandas as PD. PD dot series of 10 comma some 20 comma something like NP dot. I will import NP also. Import NumPy as what? NP. NP dot NAN comma. Next is called what 40 comma some 12 comma some 14 comma some none also I wrote it. None also I wrote it. Print of what I wrote it, series elements. Series elements. Series elements. Now I am writing print of what? Yes. Print of yes. So the elements are printed or not? Now my interest is I want to get this series elements without nans. Without nans and nuns. That means I want to take those people who are giving the complete data. I don't want to take those people who is having incomplete data. Nan and none are called what? Nan and none are called what? Missing data. Missing data. Such missing data is incomplete data. That incomplete data you don't want to take. So how can I eliminate this? Simply none. I will go for what? Valid. Validation. Validate. You need not write a big code for eliminating what? Nans. Are you getting my point? Let us use that usage of what? Valid. I will carry this now. I will carry this now. Before series of elements, before valid. Before valid function. Before valid function. Now I am going to take it. Before valid function. Now I am writing yes dot what? Valid. Yes dot valid. Now I am writing. Here I am writing yes dot valid. I am saying print of what? Yes dot valid. Yes dot what? Valid. See the data what is printed. What is happening? Series object has no valid. So PD dot PD dot valid of S. So here I'm going to write it valid. So here got it. PD dot valid. There is a function name called valid. Before valid. So valid function. Valid in place of that. Okay, just for a minute, you hold on. You go for one small thing. Alternative function, I will try to say PD dot S dot. There is a function name called what? S drop now. In place is equal to what you know? In place is equal to what you know? True you say and print off this yes. So print off what? Yes. So I will go to yeah. 1 minute. In place is equal to true. You just try to print it. So you are going to get it. What is getting? Drop now. What is the function name? Drop now. That valid function, I will tell you students, just to hold on. Don't worry right now. What is the another function I want to say? Drop now. What is the drop now indicates? Drop what values? Null values. And keep the data in where itself? Yes itself. Drop now. In place is equal to true. Already you have an experience of drop now. In place is equal to true means what? Drop the null values and keep it in where? Same place. I hope you are getting it. So before valid function, you got it. Now I'm going to say here. Now I'm going to say here I'm going to write it. Build the same thing. Before what function? Drop now. And this is called what? After. After I am saying. This is after which function? Drop now. Drop now. So here we got it. Let us build this series of that and try to do it. Here you got it before drop now and after drop now. So how do you how do you validate the series object which contains nans, which function simply drop now. Suppose I'm having a series of values are there. I want to take only the data which is having values, nan values only I want to take it. That time simply call drop now and remaining elements only you count it. Are you able to follow? That is a function name called what? Drop now. Next, go to what now? Count values. Count values. Is it clear? Let us go to the count values. I'm going to take it. So count values I'm going to take, students. Count values I'm going to take it. So what is this count values function can do for us? Take the example of the same. Like this you take it. S is equal to, here only I'm taking, np dot series pd dot yes, pd dot series of pd dot series of. Now I'm going to take up. Now I'm going to take up here something like 10 comma, or I will take something like this 10 20 30 10 20 40 50 10 30 and then 20 and some 60 I'm taking. This is my data. Then after that, print this series here. Print this series here. These are my values. Now I'm going to see how many number of tens are available with me. How many number of tens are available with me? How many number of 20s are available with me? How many types of 20s are available with me? Like this. I want one type of report. So that I'm going to print it. Come on, apply. Print off. So I'm going to apply here. Yes sir dot what? Come on. Count values. Count values I'm going to take up. So here also count values. PD dot count values of S. PD dot count values of S. So count values. So why this is? Pandas module has no attribute called count values. Count underscore values. Yes dot 1 minute. Yes dot unique. Today more errors are resulting. So here values counter, value counts maybe. I hope so. Unique is giving that. Value counts maybe. Value counts or values counts. Vishwa? Okay. Value underscore what? Counts. Okay. Values underscore value underscore count. We'll test it once we go for it. So here, yes dot what? Value underscore what? Counts. Value underscore counts. Yes, that works fine. So even I am also explaining multiple times. Still, sometimes I'll also forget. So that's why practicing is very important. So value underscore counts. And I wrote count underscore value. Something missing. You have to practice it. So coming to the point of it, observe it now. What is this now? Counting of what? Unique values. What this will give you? Here I am going to give you. Print of what? Counting of what? Number of unique values. Number of unique values. Or I will write number of what? Unique values and their count. Like this, I will write it. Unique values and their count. And their count. So try to run this now. So I got it. 10 is available how many times? 3 times. 20 is available how many times? 3 times. 20, 30, 40, 50, and then what? 60. Are you able to follow? So this is also most useful thing. What is the function name? Value count. Yes, a dot value counts. Will give you what values? What kind of value it will be given? It will give you the number of uniques, and their count will be given. Are you able to follow? Even you can take string values also, that will be giving in the form of like this. Able to understand? Right. That is number one. Next is called what? Unique. What do you mean by unique? This will provide you. This is my given series data. Out of that, I want only discrete values only. Perfect discrete values only I want to get it. How do I get that now? Copy the same thing. Coming to this place, it will give you, what is the function name? Unique. Unique function I am going to take up. Unique function. So unique values in series object. In series object, I am going to take it. How do I find that now? Apply what? Yes, sir, dot. Come on. Unique. Yes, sir, dot unique of. Yes, sir, dot unique of. So you just print it. It will give you original series elements are printed. Unique values in the series object. So you are having 10, only one time it is coming. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It is going to give you the unique function. Are you able to follow? So given series elements, print of what? Given series elements. So if I am interested in getting only unique names or unique values, then I will go for which function? Unique function. That too it is coming in the form of what? ND array. ND array it is coming now. Now I want to go for one more function called what here? N unique. N unique. How many number of unique values are there? How many number of unique values are there? Here how many unique values are there? 6. That will be coming across. Number of N unique meaning is that only. N unique, that is only the meaning. N unique. Go for given series elements, number of unique values. Number of unique values in series object. I will apply what? N unique, which is going to give you number of unique values are what? 6. Are you able to get it? So here it's very important. Values count, values underscore count, value underscore counts a counter. Counts, and next is called what? Unique, and next is called what? N unique. These are important. These are important. Take care about this. Shall we move on further? Next, one more kind of thing called what? Sort values. Sort values. Now I need to go for sort values. Take the data. Here I am taking. Function name is called what? Sort underscore values. Now I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take S is equal to NP dot NP PD dot PD dot. What is this now? Sort. PD dot series of PD dot series of. Now I'm going to take it. Something like this. Careful. I'm taking 28. Now I'm taking some 11, 12. Now I'm taking some 34. Now I'm taking some 11. I'm taking something like, something like, 29. I'll take something like 3. Like this, I took it. These are the values. Now I'm going to take it. Index is equal to index is equal to. I'm going to take up something like this. I'm writing. When you take Red Bull, you will take an energy of what? 28. When you take next is called what? Thumbs up. THUMB, thumbs up. P, B, P, UP. Okay. Next I will take it. Next is called what? Dew. Next is called dew. Huh? What is that? Next is called what? String. String. String or string are they? String. Okay. Now, my dear student, if you put all your drink names here, it is very impossible to write it. Follow. One more, what is one more? Silence. This is KVR class. No fun. Serious. Come on, fast. Here I am going to say print of what? Yes. So, series elements. Series elements. Print of what? Yes. So, this is the data what we got it. So the drink name one side and then what the energy is another side. Now I want to, somebody is asking, sort them in what? Ascending order or descending order based on their energies. How do you do that? How do you do that? Are you following me? So do the same thing. Go for what? Do the same thing. Print what? Go to this place. I will apply S dot what? Sort underscore values. Sort underscore values. It is going to print the data in sprite, less energy, font, thumbs up, Red Bull, string, and next dew. This is coming in which order? Come on. Right. Now I am going to write it. I will experiment one thing and don't take immediately. Of course, I will say this is called which order? Ascending order. Now I will apply colon what? -1. It will give you what? Descending order. This process already you know. Okay. This process already you know. Let me give you for your understanding. Print of what? Which order? Ascending order of which elements? Series elements. Ascending order of series elements based on energy, based on. So something like I will write it like this. Now I will write it same thing. This is what you got it. Now I'll write it like this. In which order next? Descending. Descending order of series elements based on that. Now I am writing here. Colon what? -1. Colon -1. I got it in reverse order. Are you following me? Now, students, carefully follow. Now I am going to take up to here I will take and follow me. So here I am going to write it. Follow this carefully. I got it what? Normal data only. Now I want to print it what now? This is the data. I want to sort it out. Now I want to sort it out. Here what I'm going to apply? Come on. Yes, a dot. Sort underscore values. sort underscore values. Ascending is equal to false. Ascending is equal to false. Are you following? Ascending is equal to false. Now, print of what? This you write it directly. Ascending is equal to false. Now I'm getting what is that coming in this way. Are you following? Like reverse is equal to false in our cases. Now here I wrote ascending is equal to what? False. Which order this is? Come on. Right. This is an important. I wrote it instead of applying this kind of thing. You can write one flag there, that type of data. I hope you are understanding. So these things only by practice will come, students. Try to practice well and by applying all these type of flags. Okay now? Right. That is called which function? Come on. Sort underscore next. So prasad.py, can we sort labels by alphabetical order? So is it necessary? Yeah? Sorting labels in ascending order. Generally, names we will sort it, not supposed to be like that. Are you following? Yes. So I hope in further, if you want, I will apply. When I come to data frame now, I will definitely sort that. Why? I will take all the indexes. In data frame, there is a concept of what? Taking indices. I'll convert that indices into what? List type. Or I'll convert that indices into what? Series type. And I will apply what values there? Sort underscore values I will apply. Okay now? So, Prasad, further, when I come to that part called what? Data frame, I will do sorting of what? Indices also I can sort it out. Okay. Now I will move to the further. What is the next one? IDX max. IDX max. Actually, you did not ask all these things. I am only telling for your richness in the pandas. Python already over. Now we are in the this place. Let us go to the further. Let us go to the further. I will carry these values. Actually, you don't know these many values, but these many functions also you don't know. But we are telling everything in this place because these are important in analytics, analysis, machine learning part. Now I'm going to apply. What is the function name I am applying? IDX max. IDX max. What it will do, you try to see. S dot print of S dot IDX max. IDX max. You try to apply IDX max. What is this IDX max? 10, 10, 10. Anything else? Anywhere else? No. So IDX max here 20, 20 and next 20 is also available. 20 is also available. Now here I will go for IDX max. Here I am going to give you one more value. I will add it. Next 20, 20 I will add it. IDX max. So I got it. What is coming here? 10 only giving. It is supposed to give maximum element index. Maximum element index. Maximum element index. See that? Max will give you what? Biggest element. What is that ID? Index. IDX max will give you what? Highest element index. Maximum element index. What is the maximum element here? 60. Suppose if I take 130. 130. What is the index of 130? So I will go for what? Here I will go for 2. Are you following me? So I can write it. Maximum element index is equal to S comma what? IDX max. IDX max. What is this is presented? This 2. Suppose I am having 130 here also. 2 130s are there. So whether it is a maximum element, is it the second or that places, not necessary to bother about it. Are you following me? So this is about IDX max. Did you understand? Gives you what? Maximum element index. Maximum element index. That is which marks which element is the highest, whose maximum index element is going to be obtained. Similarly, I will apply which function? IDX min. IDX min I will apply. IDX min. So come on to the point. Minimum element index. Minimum element index. What is the function name? IDX min. IDX min I am going to apply. So it is going to give you what is the minimum element? 10 is the minimum element or not? That will be given as what? 0. Suppose if I take it as what? Minus 20. Suppose if I take it as minus 40, like that. Minus 40. If you run my example, it will be given as what? 5. 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then what? 5. So are you able to understand IDX min? Right. This is about the function name called what? IDX min and IDX max. Now I'm going to take at what? POW. POW. So power function. What the power function always deals with? So double star operator or not? Double star operator. Now the power function is something like this. So here I am taking POW function. I am going to talk about it. S1 is equal to PD dot series of Now I'm going to take up series of. There I'm going to talk about it. 2, 3, 1, 2 or 1, 3. This is my series. S2 is equal to PD dot what you know series of PD dot series of 10, 20, 30, 40. I am taking 40. Each element must be squared with another series. Each element must be squared with what? Another series. That means the square of every element of what? S2 I want. How do you do it now? Come on, fast. S3 is equal to S1 dot POW of S2 or S2 dot POW of S1. What is the color? S2, okay. S1, S2 on. This is S2 ma. S2 dot what? S1. This S2 is called what? Caller series object. This is called a passed series object. Here, S2 is called what? Caller series. Caller series object. It is calling which function? POW. And S2 is called what? S1 is called what? Passed series object. Passed series object. Passed series object. Now, print of what? S1 elements. S1 elements. And the next is called print of what? S1. S1. Next is called what you know? S2 elements. S2 elements. What is this now? Print of what? S2. Print of S2. And next is what? Power series. Power series. Power series is called what now? Print of what? S3. Print of S3. Now see carefully here. S1 elements are here. S1 elements are here. S2 elements are here. 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of 2. 20 to the power of 3. 20 to the power of 3. Don't tell 600 or something. 20 into 20 into 20. So 8. So it is going to be like this. You already know. And next is called like this. And the next is called what? 40 to the power of 3. I hope you are following this. Are you able to follow? So this is called which function? Which function? Power function. Power function. Able to get it? Yes. So next, something to be raised to the power of something. If you want, I will change this part. What is this now? S1 to the power of what? S2. S2. What is the S1? 2 to the power of 10. 3 to the power of 20, like that. I'm just trying to write it. Yes, 3. So you see that elements here. You see that elements. Already I said in one moment of time, one reason also I said. If it is exceeding the total main memory capacity of that holding data, it will go to where? Negative side. Negative side. Take care, students, this part of it. So here, I hope you are understanding. 1 to the power of 30 is called what? 1 only. And 3 to the power of 40, which is almost going to what? Negative side. Because internally it is taken as which type? Into 64 side. Into 64 side. I hope it is called what? Positive side. And next is what? When it is exceeding this side, it will come to negative side. That exceeding value will be subtracted from the maximum element in the negative side. That will result in negative side. And that situation will not be coming. That situation will not be coming. The data will be coming in such a way that where you can do proper powering. Are you able to follow? So this is called which function? Power function. Next function is called what? LE, GT, EQ. What is LE? LE na LT? Less than or equal to. This is called what? Greater than or equal to. What is this now? EQ. Equal. Already you are most famous now. Whatever I am explaining, you will understand from now onwards. With almost you are getting, sir, Python life is nothing but remembering about functions. 100% that only. Whether it is Django or data science or whatever it is, you have to remember functions. You have to remember functions. In Python class and Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, you will feel that so many functions are coming. Some of them you already forget and you are under forgetting process also. But when you take other subjects, not even remembering some of the functions, because that faculty will not tell functions. They will tell something else, which is a theoretical, which is not at all recommended. You have to learn like this only. Shall we move to the further? Now I am entering into what? Equal. Come on, students. Now I am taking the data. Go to the another function now. Take care. How do you decide if two series are equal or not equal? How do you decide whether the two series are equal or not equal? So I'm going to take it 2, 3, or let it be. You take the same thing only. S1 elements, S2 elements. Now I'm going to take it. Here I'm going to write it. Print of what now? Print of. Directly I will write it. Come on. S1 dot. S1 dot. Come on. EQ of S2. S2. This will return Boolean array. Do you know Boolean array in NumPy? True, false, false, true, false will be coming. If it is true, returns true means what? Returns what? Equal. False means what? So try to look into that. What is this entire thing? False, false, false. What it indicates? Every element of this one is not at all equal to this place. That's why it is called what? False. So equal, this is very simple for you. It is something like what? Double equal to operator. For scalar comparison. For series comparison, we will use what? EQ. EQ function. This is EQ function. Let us move to the another example. Take the same element, students. Take the same elements. Here also I am taking. Here also I am taking same data. 2, 3, 1, 3. 1, 3. Try to run this. What is the answer is coming here? True. True. Now I am going to take it. Same data only in different way, different order I will take it. Here I am taking 3. Here I am taking 2. Here I am taking 3. Here I am taking 1. What is happening there? So see that it is going to be false. So it is nothing but what? Internally, 1-to-1 element comparison will be done. So like in cricket match, this is called one country match. It is called one more country match. The commentators will compare this opener, this person. Are they going to have some equality comparisons or not? Comparisons will be done. So this is the set of one cricket players is one series, another series comparison will be done. Are you able to follow? So this is called which function? EQ function. EQ function. Now I am going to take it. One more type of function. I will take it. This is, come on, GT, GT, or GT or GE or whatever it is. We will test it and don't buttify anything. Try to remember. GT of S1 dot GT of what? S2. S1 dot GT of S2. So what is happening? GT greater than. What is this? 3 greater than 2. The 2, see, S1 GT S2. 3 greater than 2. True. 2 greater than 3. 3 greater than 1. And 1 greater than 3. So already you know true, false, true, false. Okay. So done. So next is called what? Go to the place. Go to the place. Just to try to check it out. Just we are checking. That's all. So what is happening? Greater than or equal to is also there. Remember our arithmetic relational operators? Apply here. At a basis called what? Take this 3. I will take 3 students. Just to make one 3 greater than 2. True. 3 greater than or equal to 3 also what? True. Greater than or equal to. Also done. Next I will go for what? Come on quickly. LT. LT. What is that LT? Less than or equal to. LT. Now I am taking LT. So here I am going to take it LT. So 3 less than 2, 3 less than 3, 3 less than 1 less than 3, last is called a true. Are you able to follow? Next is called what? Less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. So if I take it less than or equal to LE, I will take it. LE I am going to take it. So there I am going to take up LE. So it is going to be taken in one place, 3 less than or equal to 3. True. And others also, 1 less than or equal to, understandable. Are you following? So what are the functions here? What are the functions you understood here? This is a power function, LE, GT, and next is called what? GE, and next is called what? Come on, LT, LT. Next is called what? Equal, equal. These many number of things you got it. Are you able to follow, students? Right. This is about the function name called what? Miscellaneous functions here. Miscellaneous functions. Are you able to follow? Are getting sleeper? Sleeping? No. So if you follow me, I'm getting some more functions in my mind. Just to try to follow me. Take this data. Take this data. Here I'm going to say, take this data only. Now I'm going to take it. These are already I said you. In our NumPy, I said some cumulative functions. I said cumulative. CUM, SUM. Did you remember that? So here also what will be there? CUM, SUM. What is this stands for? Cumulative sum. Do you know that how to do it? Print the series elements, print S1 elements. Now I am going to take up, print the S1 elements. Now print what now? Cumulative sum. So cumulative sum of what? Series elements. Series elements. So do it. Come on. S1 dot CUM SUM. CUM SUM. Print of CUM SUM. Can you tell me the answer now? You take some 2. You say take some 2. You say take some 4. Answer please. 3, comma, 5, comma, come on, 9, comma, 10. Okay. Now see that 3, comma, 5, comma, 9, comma, 10. Already you know, I said to you, 3, 3 as it is you will take. 3 plus 2 is called what? 5. And next is called what? In the 4th place, what should I do? Before the 2 elements will be added to this. It is called a 9. And the next is called what? 1. Previous, all the elements are going to be like this. It is also one important cumulative sum. Are you able to follow? Right. Next, I will go for product also. Product. What are that, students? Cumulative product. Cumulative product. PROD. Cumulative product. Answer please. Cumulative product. cumulative product of the series. CUM PROD. PROD. PROD of. Are you able to follow? Come on. 3 and 2. Next. 3, 2 with 4. 3, 2, 4 with 1. 24. Are you able to follow? This is called some more functions. That also I will add to this place. That also I will add to this place. Actually, there are some more functions are there. Covariance is also there. CORRE is also, correlation is also there. Bad correlation, good correlation, normal correlation. Correlation tech, covariance is also there. I will tell you in data frame, I will tell you. So almost when Sir is explaining functions, you are always going on in a sleeping manner. So let me boost once again by starting the data frame again. So suppose correlation means what you know, good correlation, bad correlation. Suppose you purchased a land and by investing something, based on the investing, that appreciation is also going up. What it is called? Good correlation. Good correlation. You invested an amount by thinking that some industries are coming there. Government announced. Next government came, they said no, cancelled. What will happen? Your amount is going back. What it is called? That is a bad correlation. Correlation means what? Relation. If one variable X, it is, if that variable X, if operation on X will appreciate what? Dependent variable. Suppose you are doing some workouts, gym you are doing. So when you are doing more gym, what your cholesterol will become? To be born more, correct or not? So that is called what? Good correlation. You are doing more workout, no calories born, because already so much of calories already fixed there. Not reading Python, nothing is there. That's why no energy using now. Are you understanding this correlation? There is a covariance is also there. That I will tell you other part of it. Right now, don't worry about it. What is the function I want to add, ma? CUM, SUM. Next is called what? CUM, PROD. PROD. This is what I would like to tell you. These are the important miscellaneous functions on it. There are some more functions are there. CORR, COR. There are a lot of functions are there that you don't worry right now. So now I want to enter into the another stage called what? Data frame I want to introduce. So shall we introduce today or tomorrow? Huh? Tomorrow. Okay. Raise hands tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Today. Okay. Only few people. Others, they are standing on the wall, jumping this side or that side. Okay. Let it be, students. Let it be. Nothing serious. Relax. Tomorrow, don't prepare underground. And don't go to today night. Don't do the fasting or something. Do, okay, that you do it whatever you like it. But anybody is maintaining that Jagaram or something, open the Python notes and do it. Do it. So practice. Practice Python code. So that is a good thing for you. Instead of watching YouTube, that tube, etc., making your tube empty. By watching YouTube, your tube become empty. Nothing is out. Read our notes. So, Satya Gopal. Hmm? Okay. Okay, my dear student. Okay. Pooja. Sir, yes, sir. We will all chant Python functions. Very good, ma. Keep it up. All the best. Satya Gopal. For certain things, answer is very difficult. So please bless all of us with so dash classes, sir. And the auspicious day onwards. Okay. So morning class, evening class, evening class. Ajit Baba, evening class is there as it is. I'll come to all the classes. Morning, evening, as usual. Right. Okay, Satya Gopal. We will hope so. We'll hope so. Okay, students, take care. Don't miss tomorrow class. Very important. Data frame concept I'm going to do is very important, really. I'm not joking. It's an important. Saurav, yes. Chanting mantra for Python is Om Python. Very good, Saurav. Very nice student. Good. See, in our class, all spiritual activity mixed with Python. Good, good sign. Thank you, students. Take care. Don't miss further class. Any doubts are there? Online students, hold on. Thank you, guys.
After seeing the method of but not understanding the property that is somewhat for us. Our Python we were able to understand some functions. Python, like Python and Python and స్టార్ట్ చేసిన అందరూ చేస్తారు మనం అంటే అది మనం అట్లా మెయింటైన్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం కాబట్టి అందుకని నేను 23 ఇయర్స్ నేను టీచింగ్లో ఉండగలుగుతున్నాను. పై పైన చెప్తే వాళ్ళు సీజనల్ బిజినెస్ వానకు ఊళ్ళలో కొట్టకపోతే ఈక్వల్ లెంగ్త్ అంటే ఈక్వల్ లెంగ్త్ మాత్రమే కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. మనము బిల్డర్లో ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాం. జీరో చేసాం సిరీస్ వాల్యూస్ సిరీస్ లో ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ ఒకసారి వస్తాను. నేను ఇంత మాట్లాడి మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. వెయిట్ చేయండి ఒక్క నిమిషం.
Students in the online, any more doubts, students? Students who are in the online, any more doubts, my dear students? Mohan.
హలో సార్.
Tell me, Mohan.
సార్ అదే సార్ జాబ్స్కి ఎలా అప్రోచ్ అవ్వాలి సార్ మేము?
ఫస్ట్ మీరంతా పైథాన్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకోవాలి, అన్ని మాడ్యూల్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకోవాలి.
అదే సార్ ఎవరన్నా రిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్తే వెళ్ళాలి, లేకపోతే నౌకరీ లింక్డ్ఇన్ ద్వారా వెళ్ళాలి, లేకపోతే ఫేక్ సర్టిఫికేట్ ద్వారా వెళ్ళాలి. అంటే 4 ఆప్షన్లు ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్. మీరు ఏం సజెస్ట్ చేస్తారు సార్?
నేను మళ్ళీ దాని గురించి ఒక రోజు మాట్లాడదాం. దాని గురించి అంటే హౌ టు మూవ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అని మన దగ్గర ఒక
అవును సార్.
హెచ్ఆర్ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళకు ఒకసారి ఒక సెషన్ అరేంజ్ చేపిద్దాం మనం.
ఓకే సార్. అదే చదువుతున్నాం కానీ సార్ అసలు ఎలా అప్రోచ్ అవ్వాలి జాబ్ దాకా ఎక్కడికి? అదే
జాబ్ అనేది పక్కన పెట్టండి. ఫస్ట్ మనం స్కిల్ సెట్ ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి. మనం ఫస్ట్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ మన స్కిల్ సెట్ ఉంటే గిన జాబ్ ఎక్కడైనా వస్తుంది.
ఫస్ట్ మనం కంప్లీట్ చేసుకోవాల్సింది పైథాన్ నేను చెప్పిన
అదే
టాపిక్
సార్.
మొత్తము, తర్వాత యూఐ మాడ్యూల్స్, డేటాబేసెస్, డిజాంగో అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ టూల్స్.
మామూలు సార్.
నో యువర్ వాయిస్ ఇస్ బికమింగ్ ప్రాబ్లం. దీస్ థింగ్స్ యూ హావ్ టు
అదే
కంప్లీట్
సార్.
ఫుల్లీ.
ఓకే సార్. అంటే 2019లో అయింది సార్ డిగ్రీ. 5 ఇయర్స్ గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది కదా సార్.
అదే
అది కొంచెం
నేనేం
ఇబ్బంది అయింది
చెప్తానంటే ఇది మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ చేసుకోవాలి విత్ ఫుల్ నాలెడ్జ్. ఆ 5 ఇయర్స్ గ్యాప్ ఉన్నా నో ప్రాబ్లం,
ఓకే సార్.
ఈజీగా ఫుల్ఫిల్ అవుతుంది. మనకు సబ్జెక్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటే కన్నా ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఆ గ్యాప్ అనేది ఏం కాదు.
అదే వాళ్ళు కూడా స్కిల్ బట్టి తీసుకుంటారు.
అంతే కదా, ఎవరైనా అంతే కదా. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు కంపెనీ, ఇఫ్ యూ స్టార్ట్ యువర్ కంపెనీ, సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ఏ పర్సన్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ వితౌట్ సబ్జెక్ట్, సో దే వోంట్ టేక్ యూ నా.
అవును సార్. అవును సార్.
డెఫినెట్లీ దే విల్ లుక్ ఇన్ టు ద గుడ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఓన్లీ.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్.
సో అది గుడ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటేనే వ్యాలిడ్, లేకపోతే ఇది ఉండదు కదా.
అవును సార్. అవును సార్. అది అర్థమైంది సార్. అంటే ఒకసారి పెడతారా సార్ మామూలుగా రెజ్యూమ్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి అన్నీ ఒకసారి పెడతారా సార్?
మనము చేపిద్దాం ఒకసారి, సరేనా?
ఒక క్లాస్. ఓకే సార్. సరే, హ్యాపీ శివరాత్రి సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మా, విష్ యూ ద సేమ్.
థ్యాంక్స్ సార్. థ్యాంక్స్.
రైట్. లక్ష్మణ కుమార్. లక్ష్మణ కుమార్.
Good morning, sir.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మా.
First of all, happy Shivaratri, sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ, విష్ యూ ద
Sir,
సేమ్.
thank you, sir. Sir, small doubt, sir. ఇప్పుడు మనకి సిరీస్ లోనే సిఎస్పి పెట్టుకోవచ్చా సార్? రైట్ సార్, పాండాస్ డాట్ సిరీస్ డాట్ అండర్ సిఎస్పి అని చెప్పాను.
దేంట్లో?
సిరీస్ లోనే సార్.
సిరీస్ 1 డైమెన్షనలా 2 డైమెన్షనలా?
అది 1 డైమెన్షన్ సార్.
మళ్ళీ సిఎస్విలో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? మల్టిపుల్ కాలమ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా.
అవును సార్.
అలౌడా?
నాట్ అలౌడ్ సార్.
మళ్ళీ అది డేటా ఫ్రేమ్లో వస్తుంది అది.
ఓకే. ఇది పాండాస్ డాట్ సిరీస్ డాట్ టూ అండర్ స్కోర్ సిఎస్పి అని ఉంది సార్. అది
నేను చెప్తా, అది నేను చెప్తా అవన్నీ. ఓకేనా? అన్ని
ఓకే
అన్ని
సార్.
చెప్తాను నేను అవన్నీ.
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Jairam, can you run one code, sir, which I sent? Okay, my dear student. So, okay, I will just run your code once. In this place, I will run. So, my dear student. Okay, my dear student. Thank you. So, thank you, my dear student. Jairam, God bless you. Good. Done. Very nice. Nice job. Take care, my dear student. Yes. Yeah, this also I will send you in the place. Nicely done, Jairam. Keep it up. Okay, students, take care. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow the important session. All the best, students. Take care.